Hi, folks, and welcome back to another episode of the Potspoon Kitchen. In this episode, we are going to be making a sustainable recipe that is very expensive in the grocery stores and it's very cheap to make it homemade. This recipe has better flavor than store-bought and allows you to control the amount of sugar that you put in it. In the next recipe that is coming up, we are going to be making homemade mixed fruits, so subscribe and look out for it. As you would have seen in the title, we are going to be making mixed peels, also known as candied citrus peels. So we have our oranges, limes, and we have lemons, and we're going to be using 3 of each. And I will just demonstrate how I remove the skin from each. You just want to peel off the top and slightly the bottom. It's a small piece, and you're going to score it with a sharp knife 4 or 5 times. Just under the skin, but not to cut the orange. The more scores you make, the easier it is for you to remove the skin. And then you want to simply pull the skin back. For the lemon, we're going to do similar, if not same. The skin of the lemon is much tougher. Instead of throwing away your peels, you can also juice it, squeeze out the juice, and then pull out the pulp from inside and use the skin. And this is a good way for me to be sustainable. The lime, we're going to do the same thing. The fresher the lime, the easier it is for you to do. The skin of the lime is much more thinner. So you just want to peel off the skin. And there you go. You have 3 options. You can cut them in small strips after you're done. This way it gets the rinds out faster. Or you can just rough chop them like this, and then you're going to add them to a food processor once they're done. But to get all the rind out, I would recommend that you cut it small or even into dice. Our citrus peels are ready, and I went ahead and I processed the limes because the limes were dry enough. We are adding the citrus peels to a pot of water, and we're going to boil these for about 10 minutes 3 times. So this is our first boil, and I would suggest when you count the 10 minutes or even 15 minutes, you want to wait until the water is boiling and then count. So even if you add it before the water begins to boil, wait until it becomes to a rolling boil and then count the 10 minutes or the 15 minutes. This is our 3rd boil. To our pot, we are adding 1.5 cup of water. To 1.5 cup of granulated sugar. We are adding back our citrus peels. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. Help me to grow it by sharing and telling a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. And we're going to mix it and coat it in the sugar. So we're going to press it down into the liquid, and we're going to allow this to simmer on low heat, and I'm going to be using number 3 uncovered for 1 hour until it becomes syrupy. We are now at 1 hour, just about 30 seconds shy, and as you can see, they are nice and translucent. And this is where you want to turn it off. You can bottle it and add it to your black cakes, or any cakes that requires citrus peels or candied citrus peels. You can add it to that recipe. Here you have it, a candied citrus peels recipe that you can make right at home, and is very inexpensive. Give the video a thumbs up or subscribe, share the video, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another recipe.